destination po. Wait lang po. Ayun, parang farm siya. Nasaan ba tayo pupunta? Kala ko sa shrine.
Lubok na. May madadaanan tayong river bago yung mga dinaanan
Rough
siya.
road. It's a rough road, everyone. Grabe na yung shrine nila nasa looban.
Sementado naman yun pagdating mo.
OMG.
Saan ba itong doon?
Kaliwa o yung other ano.
Meron na ng next.
Yan, look, there's another horse. Ay, ang laki ng langgam. There's a horse. Tanong mo nga kung may entrance. Ito na yung Andres Bonifacio Shrine and Eco Park here sa Maragondon, Cavite. Ewan ko lang kung pwede kami pumasok. Alas 3 na. Here's the parking area. Uy, dami dogs. Ang dami dogs.
Let's find the room.
Anuhan nga siya, parang disputa ng sundalo. Here we are.
Basahin mo yan. Yan. Come on. Noong. Mayo.
Basahin mo, Kian. Please read.
Wait,
Ito na yung
I lost
Bonifacio
mom
Shrine.
and dad are dead.
And here,
I lost it. It's my friend family.
Noong sa puok na ito, tinawag na nagpatong malapit sa mundong kumpil. Ang Supremo at ang kanyang kapatid.
It's gonna be died. It's getting
What's that? It's a big tree. Akin ang atang food na to. This is my food.
doon o, sa may upo.
A small boy.
Let's eat first. Come here. Sure pa more. Liblib na lugar pala. Ayan.
Gusto nyong ma-stress muna.
Ma.
Grabe yung daan dito, guys.
Yan,
Ayan.
huwag ka dyan sa likod nakabarikada dyan ng...
There's our car.
There is our car. Nakapark lang dun. Let's eat lang here. Picnic, picnic. What you're eating? Tinapay. Sa malaking puno. Kami sa Andres Bonifacio Shrine kung saan siya binaril. Ayun si Andres Bonifacio. Ito, simula. Yan ang salary niya nung pumatay kay Andres Bonifacio. Laki ng puno, oh, grabe.
Pero parang hindi naman. Hindi ka naman nakakita eh.
Laki ng puno, oh.
Look at my hand.
The butterfly likes Kian. Kian, it's okay. It's just a butterfly. It's just a butterfly. It's okay. It's not a bee.
Ian. Mommy. Mommy, look.
Wow,
Here.
that's nice. Where's your butterfly?
Here.
Wow, that's perfect.
I see
Don't put in your eyes, anak.
Daddy! He got you.
Yan, kaya.
I'm going to home.
We're going to home. Going back na saglit lang kasi hapon na and uulan na. Ang dilim ng ano. Daanan namin, river. Ayan siya, oh, sa gitna ng daan. Ito, madadaanan na river.